We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's go and practice slide 5. We'll start basic on 1, slow. Did you know that slide 5 is slide 1 plus cross B6? See for yourself. Let's go. Slide 1 with the left and cross B6. Slide 1 with the right and cross B6. Basic. So make sure to go over slide 1 and cross B6 in the link below. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Notice that we don't use the 4 and 8 counts. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, and get ready to full speed. Let's go. Basic. 1, and let's go. Basic. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And let's go again. Yeah, doing great. The more you practice, the better you get. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Let's go. We're gonna do slide 5, which is slide 1 and cross B6. Let's go. Slide 1 and cross B6. Now with the right. Slide 1 and cross B6. Basic. And don't miss the muscle tip at the end. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. Basic. Last time slow. And don't forget to smile. Let's go. 1, 5. Let's go. Full speed. Basic. And yeah, let's go. Basic. One more time. Basic. Last time. Let's go. Yeah, now we'll practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. We'll do basic on 2 slow, and then just start with your right. Slide with the right. Slide 1 with the right and cross B6. Slide 1 with the left and cross B6. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. With the left. 5, 6, 7. Basic. And notice again that we don't use the 4 and 8. Yeah, let's go. Last time slow. 1. Get ready to, full speed. Basic. And let's go. Doing great. Basic. Let's go again. Basic. One more time. Yeah, doing great. Repetition is the mother of skill. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Let's do slide 5, which is slide 1 and cross B6. Let's go with the right. Slide 1 and cross B6. Slide 1 and cross B6. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And make sure to go over slide 1 and cross B6 in the link below. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. Full speed. With the basic. Let's go. And go. Basic. Let's go again. Basic. Yes, practice makes progress. Let's go. Now let's practice face to face. I want to see you. I'll flip the screen so you can follow along. Continue basic on 2 slow. Yeah. And let's go for 3 in a row. No basic. Let's go with the right and with the left. No basic. Second time. Yeah. and third time. Get ready to full speed with the basic. Let's go, basic. Let's go, 3 in a row, no basic, go. 1, 5, second time. Last time, basic. And let's do it all, yeah, on 1. First basic on 1, slow. And let's go for it, 3 in a row. Let's go with the left, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. No basic, with the left again, and yeah, with the right. Last time slow, and get ready, full speed, 1 basic. Let's go. Doing great, let's go, 3 in a row, with the left and with the right. Second time, and last time. Well done, and thank you very much for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and spins. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good, it is the thing you do that makes you good. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: use small steps and make slide bigger.